Samsung may soon introduce one of the most useful accessibility features ever added to One UI. It may not sound like a huge upgrade at first, but once you understand how it works, you might realize it can make using your phone much more comfortable every single day. According to the latest reports, One UI 9 could soon allow users to set different screen zoom levels for individual apps instead of using one zoom setting for the entire phone. Right now, Samsung already offers several accessibility features that help users see content more clearly. You can increase text size, zoom into parts of the screen, or change the overall screen zoom level. These options work well for many people, but they also have one limitation. Whatever zoom level you choose applies to almost every app on your device. That means if one app looks too small while another already looks perfect, you have to compromise. Making one app easier to read could make another app feel oversized, and that isn't always the best experience. This is exactly the problem Samsung appears ready to solve. According to information found inside the stable One UI 9 software running on the new Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, Samsung is working on a feature called App Screen Zoom. Instead of changing the zoom level for the whole phone, users will be able to choose a separate zoom setting for each individual app. Imagine opening your favorite messaging app and increasing the zoom so chats are easier to read. Then you could leave your social media apps at the normal size while making your banking app slightly larger for better visibility. Each app could have its own customized display settings. This gives users much more flexibility than before. It suggests Samsung will offer several zoom options. These include large, largest, medium, small, smallest, and the default system setting. That means users can fine-tune each app according to their personal preference. Even better, once you choose a custom zoom level for an app, it stays that way. If you later change the overall system zoom, it won't affect the apps you've already customized. Each app keeps its own setting independently. This could become especially useful for people with vision difficulties, older users, or anyone who spends long hours looking at their phone. Instead of constantly adjusting settings or struggling with tiny text, every important app can be optimized exactly the way the user wants. The feature was discovered by Android Authority while examining the firmware of the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. Although the necessary code and text strings are already present, the feature isn't currently available on review devices. That doesn't necessarily mean Samsung changed its mind. The most likely explanation is that the devices sent to reviewers are running pre-release software rather than the final retail version. Because of that, some features remain hidden until Samsung officially enables them. Many believe this new app screen zoom feature could become available through the first software update after the Galaxy Z Fold 8 series officially goes on sale. The foldable phones are expected to launch on August 7th, so the update may not be too far away. The good news is that this feature probably won't remain exclusive to Samsung's newest foldable phones. There's really no technical reason why only the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra should support individual app zoom settings. Since it's a software feature built into One UI 9, Samsung could eventually bring it to many other Galaxy smartphones and tablets through future updates. If that happens, millions of Galaxy users could benefit without buying a new phone. While flashy AI tools and camera upgrades often grab the headlines, features like this can actually make a bigger difference in everyday use. Small improvements that make your phone easier and more comfortable to use often become the features people appreciate the most over time. Samsung has been putting more focus on accessibility during the last few years, and this latest edition shows the company is continuing that effort. Giving users more control over how each app looks may seem like a small change, but it solves a real problem that many people face every day. Of course, Samsung hasn't officially announced this feature yet, so everything is still based on information found inside the One UI 9 software. But if these reports are accurate, custom app screen zoom could become one of the most practical new features arriving with Samsung's next major software update. Sometimes the smallest upgrades end up making the biggest difference, and this could be one of those features that Galaxy users quickly wonder how they ever lived without.